this is stirring motor, glass reactor motor exploring type. All our glass reactors support explosion-proof systems customization, and also its controller is explosion-proof type. This design is very easy and convenient operation. And through this controller, here is the power on and power off button. And here is stepless speed adjustment knob. I operate it for you guys. And here is display the stirring speed. I show you. Yes, very easy operation. You only need to adjust the speed through here. Okay. And then this is reaction versus lead. And here is solid material charging. And here is automatic liquid material charging. And here is stirring. And we use PTFE merchant sealing at here, to get more excellent sealing performance. Okay. Here is pressure relief valve. And at here is temperature PT100 temperature sensor. We can check the temperature sensor insert in glass reactors. Then we could control the material reaction temperature in time.